6 foods that damage kidneys. As we navigate the complex tapestry of dietary choices, a stark truth emerges. What we consume can either strengthen or jeopardize the well-being of our kidneys. These bean-shaped wonders maintain a delicate balance that is crucial to our overall body harmony. They not only sift out waste and excess fluid, but also orchestrate a symphony of tasks, from blood pressure regulation to electrolyte balance and red blood cell production. While genetic predisposition and lifestyle choices dance together for optimal kidney health, the food on our plates also has the power to strengthen or break down these vital organs. This video is your guide to unraveling the mystery behind 6 common foods that are secretly sabotaging kidney health. High-sodium foods. Sodium, a vital electrolyte that is ingrained in today's diet, plays a multifaceted role in body function. However, widespread consumption of processed and fast foods disrupts the delicate balance necessary for sound kidney health. The repercussions of excess sodium are profound, as the kidneys, the guardians of sodium balance, are threatened by high blood pressure, a precursor to kidney disease. Processed foods, attractively flavored but loaded with sodium, pose a silent threat. Shifting to a paradigm of whole, fresh foods is not only advisable, it is imperative. Embracing fruits, vegetables, and whole grains not only reduces sodium intake, but also provides essential nutrients that support overall well-being. Favoring herbs and spices over salt further reinforces a kidney-friendly diet. Cola and carbonated drinks. The euphoria and flavor that makes colas and dark sodas popular hides a villain, phosphoric acid, the archenemy of kidney health. This acidic accomplice gives cola its distinctive flavor and leads to kidney stonies and potential dysfunction. Excess phosphoric acid can form kidney stones, causing pain and disrupting normal kidney function. The danger of high sugar or artificial sweeteners in these drinks further increases the risk, linking these drinks to obesity and type 2 diabetes, both enemies of kidney health. Choosing alternatives such as water, herbal teas, or fresh fruit juices not only reduces phosphoric acid intake, but also promotes hydration, one of the cornerstones of kidney health. Raising awareness about the dangers of these beverages is crucial to empower informed choices. High caffeine and carbonation consumption. Caffeine, the natural cheerleader of coffee, tea, and energy drinks, walks a tightrope in the kidney health discourse. Moderation reveals some benefits, but overindulgence means dehydration, a direct threat to kidney prowess. Prolonged dehydration puts undue pressure on the kidneys and results in kidney damage. Sodas, in addition to the caffeine issues, contain phosphoric acid, similar to cola, and pose an extra kidney health hazard. The key is to strike a balance, opting for lower caffeine drinks such as herbal teas and ensuring plenty of water. Intake protects kidney function while enjoying caffeinated delights. The processed meat trap. A protein paradise. Meat has a valuable place in diets, but with processed meats, sausages, deli meats, and bacon, the tables are turned. Infused with salt and preservatives for flavor appeal and long shelf life, these delicacies pose a risk to kidney health. Increased salt puts an additional burden on the kidneys by increasing blood pressure. Protein overload, while beneficial when consumed in moderation, becomes ominous when overdone. Filtering protein residues becomes a difficult task for the kidneys, potentially leading to dysfunction. Opting for lean proteins such as fish, poultry, legumes, and plant-based alternatives not only reduces the risks of processed meat, but also adapts to a heart and kidney-healthy culinary journey. Balancing protein intake ensures nutritional fulfillment without compromising kidney function. The dilemma of alcohol. Alcohol, the social elixir, turns from a moderate friend to a kidney health enemy when consumed carelessly. While moderate consumption offers cardiovascular advantages, overindulgence poses a significant threat to the kidneys. Dehydration waltz, caused by alcohol's inhibition of the antidiuretic hormone, forces the kidneys to exert excessive effort to balance fluid and electrolytes. This prolonged effort sets the stage for kidney disease and related complications. The inflammatory response, triggered by alcohol metabolites, further entangles the kidneys in a dangerous dance. For those maintaining kidney health, reducing alcohol intake and ensuring hydration stand as crucial sentinels against potential kidney distress. Potassium dilemma. A physiological cornerstone, potassium regulates nerve conduction, muscle contractions, and fluid balance. However, for those struggling with kidney problems, indulging in potassium-rich foods becomes a dangerous venture. Bananas, oranges, tomatoes, and potassium-filled vegetables, such as potatoes and spinach, are dietary staples, but in moderation, they can cause problems. The kidneys, which are tasked with filtering out excess potassium, can struggle to maintain balance, leading to hyperkalemia, high potassium levels. Collaborating with health professionals to regulate potassium intake is crucial for those with kidney health problems. Careful food choices, potassium awareness, and a personalized nutritional approach enable individuals to advocate for their well-being while navigating potential potassium pitfalls. The 6 foods highlighted in this video call for moderation, not total avoidance, especially for those with pre-existing kidney problems. Adopting a kidney-friendly diet requires savoring fresh whole foods, favoring lean protein, and careful nutrient tracking to maintain a delicate balance. Seeking guidance from health professionals or registered dietitians ensures that dietary choices are aligned with unique kidney health needs. By proactively guiding our dietary choices, we become architects of kidney health maintenance and overall well-being. To learn more about these topics, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my video. Thank you for taking the time to listen.